Hey guys, what's going on? Today I will be installing a safety selector switch to this lower right here, and I'll show you guys how to do it as detail as much as possible. So obviously you take out the upper and then you got your lower right here. Let's see, it's kind of hard. You got that bad boy. All right, so first things first is I usually we're gonna take off this handle right here, the grip. I'll just put that there, and I got stuff in here. All right, and make sure you got your tools though, you know what I mean, to take out that screw in there. You see that? You got to take that out. Go ahead and do it. Just keep doing it until this whole thing comes off. You got to make sure though that you don't take it out quickly, because there's a spring here. It's like a small spring, and you don't want that to be missing, you know what I mean? Show you guys. It's loose. You see that? There's a spring over there. Let me see. You see that right there? That's a small spring. You don't want that to eject, so just be careful. It's nice and smooth. All right. So I have the screw in there, and I got the spring. You see that? I usually take like a small something like a saucer or something like that, but I'm using a plastic cap here. I just put it there. That's why I can see where everything is going. And then I make sure that the screw will be going in there when we get back. So it's right there already. Put this to the side. And now it's this is the only thing that you got here. Plus you got that detent right there. See that silver thing? That's for the selector switch. So you're gonna have to mess with that. It's just gonna fall. And then there it goes. It just fell. See that bad boy? When you put this back later on, make sure you put it correctly. That you see the shape is kind of like a bullet. Make sure the sharp end goes down inside. I'll put that in there. And now you see the selector switch. Just take it out. If it won't go, and right here you just put this down a little bit. Usually does the job. And see, it comes out. Boom. You see that bad boy? So that one's good. Yeah. Put that to the side. You got that. Open your little bag. Inside this bag, you got your selector switch, and also it has another pair or another spring like that in there, and then the detent pin. If I can open this bad boy. All right. There we go. There you go. So there it is. We got that, and then the other items is here. I'll show you what it has. You got this Allen key. I'll put that to the side. And here it came with the little spring also. and then another detent pin. See that bad boy? You see it's sharp? We'll use that. We'll use the other one, reserve. It's always good to have reserve parts. Throw that bad boy away. And this one, you will just unscrew it a little bit, you know, so you can put it in. Hopefully this is, you know, detailed with you guys. So it just popped off, but the screw is still in there. You see that? I kind of just like leave that in there. And then now you'll put this inside here. Like that. And then the shape, there's a shape. You see that shape? It's kind of like an oval shape. Just make sure when you do that, that goes in the same shape as the other side. And then you screw it back on. See that bad boy? Yeah, my phone is not the greatest quality, so sorry about that, guys. Make sure that thing is seated in there. See that? Boom. On the other side too. Fire. Safety. This is actually a 45 and 90 selector switch. I like this bad boy. Make sure it's tight though. And I actually learned how to do this by just watching YouTube and stuff like that. And then now I'm doing it myself. So that, it's in there already. So next thing you do is we're going to put things back together. All right. I just want to make sure this thing is tight. All right. That's tight. So once it's in there, right, your selector switch, you will put this back. See this hole right here? That's where that detent pin came out, right? You'll put this bad boy back in there. Make sure it's like pointed down. Let me see. You see that bullet shape? Is a bullet shape. Make sure that thing, the sharp edge goes down. All right. And that hole, it's in there. So I can't see it. It's dark, but it's in there. And we're gonna put this back right here. All right. Put that bad boy back. Put that spring. I'm gonna use the other spring. Actually, I'll just use the old one. Yeah. Might as well. You know what? I want to use the new one. What the hell? All right. Put that back. So it's in there. All right. We're gonna put it back. That spring, you will put it in that hole where you put that detent spring. All right, make sure that bad boy like sits on it, you know. So it should be like that, and then the screw, it's in there, is ready to go. That's why I kind of like put it. So you're just gonna screw this bad boy back. All right. Let me see if everything's aligned. You will find out. Usually we'll find out if that bad boy is aligned when the screws are not going in. Like right now, it ain't going in, bro. This is like the tricky part, man. Doing the screw part, putting it back on there. Just takes time, you know, be patient. Or try to be. Let's see. Man, I gotta like jiggle this bad boy. All up, guys. There we go. All right. Should be going in. It's going in. There we go. Here we go. Make sure that bad boy is tight in there, bro. So nothing is coming out. All right. So after that, you just check that thing. Fire. Safety. See that? So let's check this bad boy. All right. I'm gonna put the upper. Alright, see that bad boy? Fire. Reset. Reset again. Fire. And then put it on safety. All the way. 90. Nothing. Fire. Good. And then you do 45. I did the 45 also. You can see it, I think. Yeah. Let me see. There you go. Nothing. Go back to fire. There you go. Yeah, it's set. So hopefully it's pretty simple. And you got the details on that. All right, man. Take it easy. Thank you for watching. Peace and God bless, guys.